Hey lovelies, so welcome again to my vlog channel. My name is Susan and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop mining updates, how to earn money on the side while you're waiting for that particular job offer or even as a side hustle. I also share my no-fail commercial recipes on cakes, small chops, food trees from time to time. So these are facts about Sui Bison that you wish you knew. These are facts about Sui Bison that you wish you knew. Now, I can beat my chest to say that I'm the only content creator that talked about Sui Bison in previous weeks that is still giving you guys updates about Sui Bison. Why? Because I've always told you guys that when I come to my platform on YouTube, most especially to create content about a particular scenario or an app or a project, I will definitely come back to share updates with you as far as an update is available. So I will keep sharing updates with you about Sui Bison and telling you what is and what's not until if they decide to go otherwise, like I said in my previous video. So for those of you who are just still knowing about Sui Bison is a project that is not an airdrop project where you only deposit a minimum of one Sui and you include your Sui transaction fee, and then you're going to stake that Sui that are depositing in the app for maximum of 100 days. That is, after the 100 days you are eligible to totally withdraw your Sui. You can also withdraw within the 100 days time frame. Now I've shared series of videos on how this work. I'll keep dropping the video links so that I can keep yourself updated. If you don't know how to get Sui coin, I have a video that shows how to get Sui coin. If you don't know about Sui, I have a video that shows you things about Sui, what Sui is, how to get Sui, from where you can get Sui from. If you don't still believe that Sui Bison pays, I have videos that show you my own withdrawal, and I'm going to also tell you facts about Sui Bison that you wish you knew, whether you are just joining the Sui Bison platform or you haven't there. Now, one of those facts is, as at today is March 7th, Sui Bison is still legit. That is one fact you need to know. I have not seen otherwise. Number two, Sui Bison is undergoing some changes. They are developing their game. There are so many things in place that they want to carry out. Some of them are 90% done, some of them are 60% done, but they keep updating their community platform or their channel on Telegram. And because of all these things that are putting into place, some of the things that are normally easier for us to do on their platform is now dragging. That doesn't mean that their policy has changed. One of such is deposits. If you make deposits on Sui Bison and you have not seen your deposit, and you've clicked on initialize staking and you've not yet seen it, that is because Sui Bison is still undergoing maintenance. Once they're through their maintenance, is going to pop up. So you just need to be patient. That is all I can give to you on that information. Then if you want to make withdrawal, I'm going to show you some things you wish you knew before you made your withdrawal. So you need to stick in this video. If you're just watching my video for the first time, do me a big favor and subscribe so that you don't miss out, so that you do not miss out. So now this is Sui Bison. And before you join Sui Bison, for those of you who are just deciding to join, you need to have a referral link. The referral link is the only way you can join Sui Bison. You cannot just go and download or open the app on Telegram and join. If you do that, you're not going to get a deposit address. So you need to join by someone's referral link to get a deposit address. And there is a referral link in the description box of this video and also in my first pinned comment. Join via that referral link right now and get access to your deposit address. So that's one. So this is Sui Bison app. Now, if you make a withdrawal on Sui Bison, irrespective of how many times you made a withdrawal on Sui Bison, you are going to see an in-app message. An in-app message within the Sui Bison app like this. You can see that this has dates. Yes, and you will see the withdrawal you've made. Your withdrawal of this was successful. If you don't get a withdrawal alert within the Sui Bison app like this, your withdrawal was not successful. I'll repeat that again. If you don't get a withdrawal alert on Sui Bison app within the app, your withdrawal was not successful. Even if you saw successfully withdrawn. If you don't get a withdrawal message. It was not successful. Note that. Now, I did a withdrawal on the 1st of March and I was debited, but I did not get my Sui Bison. I didn't get my Sui, rather, in my Bybit. I went to my Bybit, I checked, I didn't get it. I left the information also on Telegram, I didn't get it. Then after 10 minutes, about 10 to 15 minutes, I got a message from Sui Bison that we successfully retried your failed transaction for the amount of 6.0 Sui. Please check your wallet address. So they reversed that transaction I did. I was not successful, and then I tried it again, and then it became successful. So you see, we successfully retried. That means it later went. So if you don't get a message within the Telegram app that your Sui that you tried to withdraw was successfully credited into your Bybit, it is not successful. Hope you get that. That's the fact. Now, once you send a Sui to your Bybit, that is, withdraw your Sui, you will not get the 100% Sui into your Bybit or your wallet or your exchange platform. The reason is, like this Sui that I withdrew on the 1st of March, it was about 11 Sui, but they only sent me 6.33 whatever Sui. Now the reason is, Sui deposits only 60% of what you try to withdraw. Yeah. And when they deposit 60%, you as well as the other 40% going. 10% covers your transaction fee, or your gas fee between they and Bybit. Then you only deposit 60% of what you initially want to withdraw into your exchange platform like Bybit. I use Bybit. I'm a Bybit person. So when the deposit is 60%, your left is 40%. They use 10% for your transaction fee. Then they use 20%. They redeposit 20% into your initial stake Sui. Then the last 10% they add it to your SBT. Now let me repeat that again. When you try to withdraw on Sui, like as at this particular day, this March 1st, when I withdrew this Sui, I had 11 Sui. Then Sui only sent me, I have about 11 Sui plus. Sui only sent me 6.33 Sui. Now, they sent 60% of that initial Sui I wanted to withdraw into my Bybit account. Then Sui sent me took 20% out of that 11 Sui that I initially withdrew and added it to my already staked Sui. Then the last 10% they added it to my SBT. Yes, that is how it works. So you might be wondering, what is SBT? Now, SBT in crypto platform on the crypto web space is called soul-bound tokens. Now, these soul-bound tokens are like NFT. They're like a unique type of NFTs in the crypto space, and they're issued only on decentralized blockchain by like a crypto wallet. An SBT cannot be moved from a particular wallet or a specific wallet. It must stay within that particular wallet, just like what you have on your Sui Bison. Your Sui Bison, your SBT there cannot be removed. It will stay there. But your SBT is kind of similar to NFT. They have only little differences. For your NFTs can be transferred and used for monetary gains, while your SBT cannot be transferred or used for monetary gains. They must remain within the wallet that is holding it. That is the layman's way of knowing the differences. So that your SBT is still your own, but it is not, you cannot transfer them. So they usually take 10% and add it to your SBT. It's a type of NFT. So when I tell you that I have only deposited 1.7 Sui, and then some of you come to my comment section to say, okay, you've only deposited 1.7 Sui, why then are you now having 12.0 something Sui here? So this is the reason. The reason is because every time I withdraw, Sui Bison will only send me 60%. They will deposit 20% of whatever I have sent into my already staked Sui Bison. And then they send the remaining 10% my SBT. So let me show you my SBT as at today, March 7th. You click on this place that is showing tokens. When you click on it, you're going to see my total SBT, my total Bison SBT. This is it. So this is the 10% that has always been added within the Sui Bison app. Another fact you wish you knew before you started Sui is that the more people you refer to Sui Bison, the more you're going to earn. So when I said in my last video that I've earned about 105 USDT on Sui Bison, it is not totally dependent on what I staked initially. It is mostly dependent on the number of people that got into Sui Bison through my referral link. Yes, so if you want to earn faster, if you want to earn like ×2, or let me use ×4, refer. The more you refer, the more you are going to earn more. That is another fact you wish you knew. You know, I will always say it the way it is. As at this March 7, this is the total I've withdrawn. I've withdrawn 155.802 USDT, which is about 54.859 SU. That's what I want to note is, if you look at my earnings available, you're going to see that I have 81 days left. Now, this is how it works. Once you deposit your first SU, that is, you deposit 1 SU or a little bit above 1 SU, you are going to stake it. That first day you stake it, you're going to have 1%. For the next 5 days, they're going to be adding about 0.5 percentage on your SU. You're going to start adding about 0.5% on your SU that you already staked, and that is going to grow. To keep growing every day. Sometimes you might not see the changes. And it will keep growing till it gets to 4%. Now mine is already on 4%. Then once it gets to 4%, it now becomes stagnant. That 4% becomes stagnant, and it's done at 4% to now keep earning on your Sui Bison. Does this make sense? Now you can always feel free to ask me questions in the comment section. I will definitely respond to them. Now another fact you wish you knew before you started Sui Bison is, after making my initial deposit, I did not redeposit. No. The only way you are seeing my stake here increase is because they usually add 20% back into my Sui Bison. I did not redeposit. So some of you that you go and deposit, let's say 1.7 SU, then after some days, maybe you made a withdrawal, you now go and redeposit. Please don't do it, because if anything happens, don't say I asked you to redeposit. I did not ask you to go and redeposit. Whenever you initiate a withdrawal, your Sui Bison is going to give you 60% of that withdrawal and add 20% to your initial stake SU. So that should be enough for you. When you're making a withdrawal, Sui Bison is going to give you 20% back into your stake SU. So it's a win-win. So why are you redepositing? Why? Please do not go and redeposit again on Sui after your initial deposit. It is not a financial advice. If you want to earn faster, refer friends. The more friends you refer, the more you are going to earn on Sui Bison. So now I'm going to try to initiate a live withdrawal so that you can see. It's something I want you to see. So I'm going to click here to withdraw. Now another fact you wish to know on Sui Bison is, when you're making your withdrawal, if you click on that withdrawal and you come here and you see withdrawal platform here is showing under maintenance, please do not initiate a withdrawal. Don't try it. If you try it, you're not going to get your SU in your Bybit. Don't try it. Now another fact again that you wish you knew before you started Sui Bison is that make sure that you're transferring to like a decentralized platform or a platform that offers you SU. I don't know what I'm saying makes sense. Now, Sui asks you to kindly impute a decentralized wallet like Sui Wallet or Trust Wallet address, or a platform like Bybit, which is not actually a decentralized wallet, but that offers you the Sui coin. So you copy that Sui Wallet address from Bybit and you're going to use it. You can try other exchange platform that offers this Sui coin if you want, but like I said from the beginning of this video, I'm a Bybit person. So I'll now come here and click on withdraw. Then once I click on withdraw, I'll come here and I will paste my deposit address. Now you can see that this is showing under maintenance. Because it's showing under maintenance, I'm not going to do anything. I'm not doing any withdrawal. I did this to show you guys that if it's under maintenance, please do not initiate a withdrawal. What this simply means is that their platform has a glitch, or there are a lot of congestion on their platform. So please do not initiate a withdrawal. Now let me say a disclaimer. I am not Sui Bison ambassador. No. And I was not paid to do a PR for them. No. My platform is a platform where I share how to earn money on the side, and one of such that I've seen is Sui Bison. So when I share my experience, when I participate in that kind of project, I generally come around to share my experience. So that is what you see me doing on Sui Bison. I hope this makes sense. So these are the facts that you wish you knew before you started Sui Bison. As they keep progressing, I'll keep coming here to share updates with you. Like I said, I am that one content creator on YouTube that will come here and tell you if a particular project that I shared is working, or if they have derailed from what was initially said. So that's all for me for now. Thank you so much for watching. See you in a subsequent video. Bye for now.